Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the OneDrive application is missing from File Explorer on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would just be go ahead and actually just restart your computer. So that would be the first thing I recommend trying there. And then if you attempt to open up OneDrive or access the files through File Explorer, you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, you can attempt to actually reset OneDrive as well. So just make sure everything's backed up. And then we're going to open up the search menu, paste in the file path. I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys, and it'll allow you to actually run the command. So just go ahead and copy and paste it, starts with a % and then ends with a /reset. Go ahead and click on the best match here. And that should also reset the OneDrive application as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And then, of course, you would sign in. And then hopefully if you open up the search menu, you should see OneDrive listed in here. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.